Today's recipe is going to be super exciting because I'm going to be using my favorite fruit to create a very delicious, not too sweet jam. I bet you didn't know that you could make jam at the comfort of your home. So it's going to be a smooth and very easy recipe. For this recipe, you need 3 ingredients. That is your mangoes, lemon, and sugar. There are different varieties of mango, but personally, I enjoy eating apple mango because it has less fiber, it's sweet and delicious, unlike some other mango varieties like the small mangoes which have fibers that stick in your teeth. So we are going to start off by peeling our mango, or rather, I'm going to be showing you a trick whereby you don't need to peel your mangoes. So you're going to cut the sides of the mango just like this. Yeah, that is one sweet mango. Then using my knife, I'm going to cut in between just like this. And using a spoon, I'm going to scoop out the pulp and place it in a bowl. It's going to be very easy and less messy. So I'm going to pick my mango, repeat by slicing the side. Using a knife, I'm going to make crisscross cuts just like this. Be very careful because you don't want to slice your hand. And using a spoon, you're going to repeat by removing the pulp and placing in a bowl. This is a kg of mango that I'm using for this recipe. That is around 4 to 5 large mangoes. You can choose to snack on the pit of your mangoes or peel and add the flesh to the rest of the mangoes. Now it's time to make our delicious jam. So you're going to place a heavy bottomed pot for making your jam over medium flame and add in your mangoes. Then next you're going to add in your sugar. Stir in the sugar and then you're going to simmer over medium-low flame for around 10 minutes. Just make sure in between you're going to be stirring so that the mango jam doesn't burn. After 10 minutes, your mangoes will have softened up and starting to break apart. So using an immersion blender, I'm going to blend my mango jam to my desired consistency. I'm going to be blending my mango jam until smooth. Once done, you're going to squeeze a tablespoon of lemon juice into the pot and be very careful at this point because the jam is thickening up. So I'm going to pick my big lemon and squeeze in a tablespoon. I'm using my hands to cut the seeds. That is a teaspoon. Pick the rest of the lemon and squeeze. Stir in the lemon and then you're going to simmer for another 4 to 5 minutes. The lemon is going to act as a preservative and also it's going to balance out the sweetness of the jam. I'm going to give my jam a taste. Oh wow, so good. The jam is not too sweet. That makes it perfect. As the jam is slowly cooking, use your spatula and stir in. And I love the smooth texture. It's been around 2 minutes, so I'm going to wait for another 3 minutes so that the jam can thicken up. Once you run your finger into the spatula, you can see the jam is not runny at all, or it's holding shape. Because the jam is ready, I'm going to put out the flames and let this sit on the countertop for around 5 to 10 minutes until it's completely cooled. My jam has cooled and I'm going to be storing in a clean airtight container, and the jam is going to last up to 2 weeks in the fridge. So using a ladle, I'm going to scoop out my jam, which is looking so gorgeous, and transfer to my jar carefully. My mango jam is ready to store in the fridge and it's looking so good. It's not too sweet. It has a very nice vibrant orange color, which I absolutely love, and it's delicious. Spread the jam on your bread, add the jam as a filling in your donut, or even add some dollops of the delicious mango jam on your pancakes and enjoy.